Oh iya, ulang-ulang.
Udah ada mulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Jamir. My name is Jamir and my friend Aida will present material about making comparison. Let's get the presentation. Slide 1. Slide pertama. Yang pertama, comparison using the same, similar, and different. Same yang berarti sama, similar yang berarti mirip, different itu berbeda. Same, similar, and different have very different meanings. Usually, people won't use it. However, the error that often occurs is the use of article as, to, and from, which are often confused with three words. First, the same as, two, similar to, and three, different atau from. Nah, ini untuk detailnya bisa lihat di gambar, yang mana the same itu yang berarti sama, diibaratkan dari lingkaran itu benar-benar sama bentuk, ukuran maupun jenis. Sedangkan similar itu yang berarti mirip, artinya mirip itu tidak 100% sama. Hanya terjadi kemiripan dari bentuk, mungkin dari jenis dan ukuran gitu. Seperti di gambar yang kedua, itu segitiga. Lalu yang different itu berbeda, jelas berbeda dari lingkaran dan kotak gitu. Contoh dari conversation-nya yang pertama, Joko's book is the same as Johnny's book. Kalau the same itu menggunakan the yang diawalin dan diakhirin as gitu. Joko's books is the same as Johnny's book. Yang artinya buku Joko sama dengan buku Joni. Lalu ada contoh yang kedua, Joko have the same book as Joni. Yang berarti Joko memiliki buku yang sama dengan Joni. Yang kedua ada similar. Mount Semeru is similar to Mount Rinjani. Gunung Semeru mirip dengan Gunung Rinjani. Ya. Yang berarti Gunung Semeru itu tidak sama 100% seperti Gunung Rinjani. Gitu. Lalu ada your bike is similar to that bike. Sepedamu mirip dengan sepeda itu. Lalu ada difference. Nah, itu menggunakan akhiran from. I am different from you. Saya berbeda dengan kamu. Your life is different from their life. Hidupmu berbeda dengan hidup orang lain. Next, comparison using like and alike. You have a ballpoint pen with blue ink. I have a ballpoint with pen with blue ink. Saya mempunyai pulpen dengan tinta yang biru. Nah, like dan alike ini sebenarnya artinya sama gitu. Cuma berbeda derajat dari tingkat kesamaannya gitu. Contoh dari your pen is like my pen. Like itu memiliki arti seperti, sedangkan alike itu memiliki arti sama. Jadi kata seperti itu belum 100% sama gitu. Your pen is like my pen. Pulpenmu mirip dengan pulpenku. Your pen and my pens are alike. Yang berarti pulpenmu dan pulpenku sama. Ya, our pens are alike. Pulpen kita sama. I look, di sini ada contoh dari kalimat, I look like Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. Nah, ini menggunakan kata like. Aku terlihat seperti Hermione Granger dari Harry Potter. Sedangkan Hermione Granger and I are alike in appearance. Hermione Granger dan aku terlihat sama dari segi penampilan. Lalu ada you and I have similar book. In other words, dengan kata lain, your book is like mine. Nah, itu artinya sama. Gitu. Our books are alike. Lalu ada your car is like mine. Mobilmu seperti mobilku. Atau bisa juga your car and mine are alike. Mobilmu dan mobilku sama. Artinya sama persis. Lalu ada using akhiran and more. Mary is 25 years old. John is 20 years old. Nah, di sini Mary berumur 25, John berumur 20. Dalam kalimat atau perkataannya, Mary is older than John. Mary lebih tua daripada John. Nah, jadi ketika adjektif atau kata sifat memiliki suku kata, kita menggunakan tambahan Seperti contohnya old yang artinya tua, kalau kita tambahin er jadi older, yang berarti itu lebih tua artinya. Bisa juga big yang besar, kalau kita tambahin bigger, jadi lebih besar gitu. Lalu ada adjective with one syllable, jadi adjektif dengan satu suku kata gitu. Nah, sedangkan yang bawahnya adjektif that's end in y itu seperti pretty, funny. Nah, ketika ditambahkan akhiran itu maka berubah y-nya menjadi er gitu. Contohnya pretty menjadi prettier gitu. Meanwhile, sedangkan for adjective that have more than one syllable and do not end in y, we can use more or less. Example, Arini has been more diligent lately. Arini lebih rajin akhir-akhir ini. Atau Arini is more diligent than her sister. Next slide. Okay, next, using us, using less. Us is used to compare two things that are comparable. Itu artinya as itu digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal yang bisa sebanding gitu. Contohnya, my father is as tall as Lionel Messi. Gitu. Ayahku lebih tinggi daripada Lionel Messi. Setinggi Lionel Messi. Lalu ada, is Android as good as iPhone? Apakah Android sebagus iPhone? Jadi as dengan titik-titik bisa diisi dengan subjek atau keterangan. Lalu diakhiri as lagi, itu digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal. Next. Lalu ada next slide. John is 21 years old. Mary is 21 years old. Nah, di sini kan sama-sama umur 21, yaitu comparable gitu, sebanding. Maka kita menggunakan as old as Mary. Jadi John is as old as Mary. Umur John dan Mary itu sama. Lalu ada yang contoh B, this watch is as expensive as that watch. Artinya jam ini sama mahalnya dengan jam itu. Lalu ada Fred is 20 years old. Jean is 21 years old. Nah, di sini Fred lebih muda dari Jean keterangannya. Lalu kita menambahkan is menjadi is not. Fred is not as old as Jean. Fred tidak setua umur Jean. Lalu ada bisa kita pilih lagi, Fred is younger than Jean. Fred lebih muda daripada Jean. Contoh selanjutnya, this book is not as expensive as that book. Buku ini tidak semahal buku itu. This book is less expensive than this book. Buku ini lebih murah daripada buku itu. Next. Next, using but atau tetapi. Example for conversation, John is rich, but Mary is poor. John kaya, tetapi Mary miskin. But gives that idea that this is the opposite of that. B. The weather was cold, but we were warm inside our house. Cuaca sangat dingin, tetapi kita hangat di dalam rumah. Lalu ada an orange is sweet, but a lemon is sour. Orange manis, tetapi lemon asam. Linda is tall, but her sister is short. Linda tinggi, tetapi saudaranya pendek. The weather is hot today, but it was cold yesterday. Cuaca hari ini sangat panas, tetapi cuaca kemarin itu dingin. Jadi but itu untuk membandingkan. Next slide akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya, Aida.
Next, using verb after but. Affirmative verb plus but plus negative verb. John is rich, but Mary isn't. Balls are round, but boxes aren't. I was in class, but Pooh wasn't. Sue studies hard, but Sam doesn't. We like movie, but they don't. Negative verb. Mary isn't rich, but John is. Boxes aren't round, but balls are. Pooh wasn't in class, but I was. Sam doesn't study, but Sue does. They don't like cat, but we do. Lama, bentar. Slide-nya nggak jalan, bentar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Halo.
Iya, Miss.
Siang.
Siang,
Mem.
Bagaimana? Hari ini ada berapa presentasi? Berapa kelompok presentasi?
Tinggal 2, Mem.
Oh, ya udah. Ini masih presentasi.
Iya, iya, Mem. Tapi ini slide-nya
Ya
nggak
udah.
bisa jalan.
Ya, silakan lanjutkan. Kalau slide-nya nggak bisa jalan, kamu dikeluarin dulu itu.
Coba
Stop.
keluarin dulu.
Ya, dikeluarin dulu. Stop dulu. Dikeluar. Setelah keluar, terus baru masuk lagi. Biasanya begitu kendala di Zoom meeting.
Pencet ESC, Aida. Nah, terus masuk lagi. Bisa kayaknya.
Oke, next. Superlative using as and most. The superlative adjective is also used to compare more than two objects, three or more, by adding the suffix as or the word most. Tall, tallest, forward with two or more syllables, we usually use the word most. With a not or some two-syllable word that still used as. Basis using most handsome, if in comparative, if it saw a comparison, then then will in superlative, it is of all. Irregular, comparative, and superlative. Good, better, best, bad, worst. Example, I had the worst day yesterday. He is the best badminton player. Next, using one of plus superlative plus plural noun. One of plus superlative plus plural noun. The Amazon is one of the longest rivers in the world. Mountain Everest is one of the highest mountains in the world. Aura is one of the tallest people in our class. Jakarta is one of the biggest cities in Asia. The superlative often follows one of. Notice the pattern, one of plus superlative plus plural noun. Next, adjective and adverb. N is a colorful driver. B, N driver carefully. Adjective colorful, slow, quick, easy. Adverb carefully, slowly, quickly, easily. An adjective describe a noun. In A, carefully describe the verb. An adverb describe the action of a verb. In B, carefully describe the verbs. Most adverbs and format by adding E to an adjective. C, John is a fast driver. D, John drives fast. Adjective, fast, hard, early, light. Adverb, fast, hard, early, light. The adjective from and the adverb from are the same for fast, hard, early, light. A, Madara is a good reader. F, Madara reads well. Adjective, good. Adverb, well. Well is the adverb from of good. Next, making comparison with adverb. Comparative adverb are adverb then are used as match in the comparative sentence, similar to the comparative degree of comparison. Comparative adverb are often used to compare two things. Comparative adverb are divided into three types. The first type begins with more and ends with e. Literally, the suffix means be or be the way. The second type is a lot versus a bit, a lot versus a little, with modification according to the context of the existing sentence. and serves as a reinforcement for the impression of a particular word, sentence, or clause. The direct type begins and ends with S to express something that is the same or more or less the same. Example 1, I was, he, it, could me more tactile. 2, these questions are a lot harder than the first ones. 3, he has grown much bigger than ever. 4, you have to prepare milk as well as drinks. Next, using as with adverb. S plus adverb plus S. Use it for comparing something. Example, I can run as fast as you. Donnie is as tall as her brother. I can run as fast as you. B, Donnie isn't as tall as his brother. C, I come to office as quickly as I can. A and B, S plus adverb plus S. Yang C, S plus adverb plus S is frequently.
Ya, jadi yang terakhir itu bisa dibuat perbandingan. Contohnya kayak I can't run as fast as you. Itu aku tidak bisa lari secepat kamu. Atau Donnie is not as tall as his brother. Donnie tidak setinggi daripada saudaranya. So that's the material we can convey. Jadi materi yang telah kita sampaikan tentang making comparison.
Udah ya, ini kelompok selanjutnya kan?